to get baptized.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been, close to 6 months, and I really apologize for that. Today we're just gonna give you a little channel update, show you the new vehicle that we got, and I'm coming back to let you guys know that I'm back in full force, full swing, and I have a bunch of videos lined up for you guys to drop every single Tuesday. So put those post notifications on right now and drop a like for your boy being back, because we're coming full force at this thing. So what have I been doing in these 6 months? You just seen the truck. I just showed it by accident. What have I been doing in these 6 months, man? A lot has changed, a lot has been done, and I still have the Mustang. Still have the Mustang. I told you guys I will never get rid of it. That's still a thing. I'm not getting rid of that car. Yeah, that's still a thing, guys. I'm never getting rid of that car. Not too long ago, probably a week ago, a guy, I was pulling up at Sonic, getting some ice cream, and a guy literally offered me $15K and was like, what's the price tag on it? And I was like, it's not for sale, man. And he's like, come on, anything's for sale, which is true for the right money, but for $15,000, I can't see myself getting rid of it. Some of you guys might think I'm crazy, some of you guys might be happy I didn't, but it just doesn't sit right with me selling that car. Me and my dad built her, me and my dad went to go get her, and that's something that I want to pass on to my son one of these days. And something I'm going to keep around for a long time. Money is replaceable, memories and things like that aren't. So yeah, that's the thing on that. The F-150, guys, I know some of you guys liked it, most of you guys didn't like it. It didn't get too much love on the channel. I love that truck. I got rid of it. I literally just sold it like 3 or 4 days ago. Went to a good friend of mine, and he's going to continue to mod it. And he's a gearhead too, so he's probably gonna put some boost on it. Shout out you, Don. Thanks for taking that truck over, man, and thank you for letting me move on and do other things, because that truck was posted for a long time, and it wouldn't sell for what I wanted. I hooked Don up on a good price, and it allowed me to get this truck. And yeah, just letting you guys know I'm back. I have tons of videos come out, tons of videos lined up, already edited, ready for you guys. I did get a new job. And I don't want to flex or anything like that. I'm really humble as a person, but I just want to let you guys know, y'all are a big part of my life, and YouTube is a big part of my life, and this is still a dream goal of mine to do YouTube full time, and we will get there one day. I know we will. It's just gonna take a little bit more time and effort, but yeah, I got a new job and I'm making almost double the money in half the time. So, and I have a lot of days off now, so it's freaking awesome. I'm loving it. It's a little travel time, that's why I got this truck, and it's kind of like on a ranch road. It's oil field work, so I needed something bigger, something 4-door, something 4-wheel drive, and something that can make a long haul and be able to tow the car whenever we start racing, because at the end of this year, guys, I want to promise you, but I don't know if I can. I'm shooting for a coyote swap by the end of the year, so these coyote prices are going down. I'm ready to buy a coyote motor for the car and just start stacking it and get the build going. But yeah, it's my dream, coyote swap. So this truck right here the car's gonna look badass behind this truck. So let me just show you guys. 2004 F250 6-liter. I know you guys are going to the Ford guys out there already know about these 6.0 diesels, but let me just tell you guys that this truck has been in the family since I was about 6 or 7 years old. This is my dad's old truck. My dad literally just upgraded to a 2017 6.7, and this truck has been around me my whole life. And it's bulletproof, head studs, all that good stuff. Everything's done to this truck. It has a new short block in it. The heads are cracked on it, so I'm gonna have to replace the heads, but it drives fine as long as you don't over rev it. But I'm about to put new heads on it soon. But the short block has 60,000 miles on it. You guys know how much these diesels can go. 330,000 miles on the clock right now. Like I said, man, lifted 6 inches. It's on 37s, which these tires are freaking huge, man. I don't know if I'm gonna like them. You can see I'm 6 foot tall. Look how tall the truck is. Literally, the freaking tires are up to my waist. So yeah, man, it's a 6-liter diesel, like I said, 4-wheel drive, 37s by 22s. They're fuel forged. Truck's a little dirty right now, so excuse that. Dual exhaust. Freaking sounds awesome, man. When you start it up in the morning, I already had to add my nitrous express surround. When you start it up in the morning, dude, this thing sounds like a jet. Whenever those turbos spool up, whenever the turbo spools up, it sounds freaking amazing. Great condition inside. The truck was literally just repainted too. Let me get on the other side. But yeah, man, this thing is gonna be freaking awesome for all of our towing needs and our long hauls to work. Going in the ranch road, it has amp steps that come out. You guys can see it's freaking badass. I just wired my radar detector in there, camera bag. It has airbags in the back, trailer brakes, everything like that. Huge bed, you know, for all of our hauling needs. Well, yeah, man, the car is gonna look freaking awesome behind this truck. I'm really excited. You know, just this is my first diesel, and I'm excited for this journey. Excited for, you know, what's to come. And a big part of the reason why I wanted to get rid of the truck, guys, is because it was kind of taking all my attention away from the Mustang, and that's not what I wanted. I want to extend and, you know, do other things for sure, not just the Mustang stuff, but that car is not quite done yet. Like I said, I want to coyote swap it, so it doesn't make sense to have this truck as a payment and my other truck as a payment, because I am paying my pops on this. I bought it from my dad, and it wasn't gifted to me. I'm gonna have to pay him for it, so I'm paying him payments. He's my bank, so shout out you, Dad. But yeah, so it doesn't make sense to have 2 payments. And like I said, the truck was taking my time and focus away from the car. And in these past 6 months, I did heavily mod the truck. Not heavily, but I put a nitrous kit on it. You guys know me. Me and Phil tuned it. It was supposed to be low key, like I was gonna do some racing around town, and like have like a hidden nitrous kit. At the end of the video, I'll post up all the draggy times, the install pictures of the nitrous kit, because I did it real nice and clean. That car literally moved 3,000 feet in like 20 minutes. It's about that time, man, to go full force on the Mustang. Right now, we are still going to achieve our goals of going 11 seconds in the quarter mile, which is going to be no problem. We went 12.4 at 110 on a 100 shot. We have 50 more horsepower now. The car is a lot more lightweight. There's suspension in the car. I have a feeling we're gonna hit our 11-second pass on our first hit. So we're gonna keep on going with the car as is with the 2-valve. If any of you guys are interested in the 2-valve, get at me now before we pull it out for the Coyote, because I don't plan on blowing it up. I don't want to blow it up. It's a nice motor. It has a lot of power for what it is, and you know, if you guys have been with the channel, you know how heavily I maintenance my vehicles and how I take care of my vehicles. So yeah, just letting you guys know I'm back. The truck is here, and I'm about to head out to work today, man. So you guys, I'm filming this video, editing it right before I go out to work. So today is Tuesday, and it is March 14th. So you guys know it's coming out today, and you know, I'm full grind mode. I'm ready to go. Without further ado, let's fire up the truck and let you guys hear it. I'm in a Walmart parking lot right now, so everyone's passing by and staring at me like I'm a freaking weirdo. So let's go ahead and fire it up for you guys. Yeah, so before you guys start asking in the comments what exhaust is on the truck, it's a 4-inch turbo back and dual exhaust. It's on a Y pipe, so it's not a true dual, but it's on a Y pipe. and it sounds freaking amazing, you guys. Those turbo noises are everything. Like I said, truck runs good. You can hear it doesn't miss or anything. It is loud as hell. It's an old school diesel. It's loud as hell. Like starting it up, just the motor, it's so loud. But it's fine, you know, it's no big deal. I love the way these diesels sound, and like I said, this truck has been around ever since I was like 6 or 7 years old. So the fact that I'm driving it now, I'm doing what my dad used to do when I was young. It's kind of weird in a sense, because I don't know, man, it's just weird. So like I said, the motor runs great. I'm about to take it on a 1,000-mile haul, and you know, I don't have no worries about it. This all blue is good to us, and if you guys want, you know, I'll be making videos on this truck. I'll make a video whenever we replace the heads. The heads I'm gonna go for are, I think, Kill Devil Diesel. I think that's what they're called, KDD. They're like $2,500 for the set. But pretty much after we do that, this 6.0 should be pretty much bulletproof. And I don't plan on racing the truck. It's a pretty fast truck for what it is on 37-inch tires. These tires are heavy as hell. I did a tire rotation and brakes for my dad. Take these things off, they're heavy as hell. Even though these are fuel forged, they're heavy as hell. But it's pretty fast for what it is. But I don't plan on ever going watt in this truck. I just want it for a reliable work vehicle and a tow vehicle, and to be able to tow my car, maybe across the states. Maybe we'll take it to Mustang Week sometime, Texas 2K next year, you know, stuff like that. So I just want to look at that truck, man. That thing looks so good. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I gotta get going, man. I'm running a little bit behind on schedule, but I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are excited for the content to come. I have a lot of stuff lined up for you guys, so stay tuned. Every single Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, a video will come out for you guys. I have them lined up for y'all, and at the end of the video, we're gonna show you guys all of the F-150 times and the nitrous kit and everything like that, because it's gone now. No more videos on it, so if you guys want to do that, stay tuned to the end. And please drop a thumbs up for your boy for being back, and hit that subscribe button if you're new. I can't wait for the future, you guys. I love y'all. See you guys later. It's your boy, Fourpointsixchris. Peace out, man.
Told him I'm a big spender. Told him I'm a big spender. I be spending what I got like I got no business. Spender. I try to tell them from the start, but man, they don't listen. Like go nigga. Overdose, baby, know your love is a drug, and even though it for me, you know I can never get enough. Go ahead and buy my wrist so you can finally turn me up into a vampire. A vampire, know your blow would get me so high, like 4 times, fucking stronger. I'm on standby for any time that you gon' call me. You so damn fly, damn mind. When you coming up on this side, I can give you what you want. We just gotta make up. I'm already out on front, so forget your makeup. I already got some plans for the ass, don't say none, cause you know that we ain't never going back to day one. Thought I told him I'm a big spender. I be spending what I got like I got no business. Yeah, I'm already here on top, but I need more figures. I try to tell them from the start, but man, they don't listen. Like go figure. They gon' walk like me, gon' talk like me. How they say they don't play my shit. Shawty gon' talk like me, be a boss like me, and we both gon' try the same whip. You ain't been broke like me, had smoke like
Ready?
Quarter mile.
1269. 220 again.
Half mile.
Yeah, it did for sure.
We're gonna get this 60 foot down.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my